him. That's the old furnace. There's the new one. Oh, there's nothing down here again. We do have copperheads and shit here. There's a TV. There's a boiler room. Ow. That board was between those two blocks, and the dude must have been sitting here watching this television. It's right here in the crawl space, which is kind of fucking creepy. But that's your boiler room. Oh, dudes. Motherfuckers. Come on. Come on. Puppies. Come on. Puppy, puppy, puppy. Bandit, come on. Bandit. Come on. Bandit, come here. Come on. Out. Out.